Good day, everybody. Today we're going to work on lights and lenses. So when we begin the test, we'll be standing in front of the tractor with our examiner, okay? And we're going to recite this word by word. All right, Mr. Examiner, today we're going to start on our lights and our lenses. So today I will be checking my lights, my lenses, my reflectors, and my reflector tape all the same way. They are properly mounted, secure, not cracked, bent, or broken, clean and illuminated, the proper color of amber from the front, sides, and red to the rear. And at this point, this is when you're going to be walking around your tractor and trailer. And make sure before you walk around your tractor and trailer that your headlights are on and all your marker lights are on. Okay? So now let's walk around. All right, I have my headlights, have my high beams, floodlights, clearance lights, clearance light, I believe that's a clearance light at the top. Yep, I see. Nope, that ain't it. Clearance light, clearance light, reflector tape, reflector tape, brake light, clearance light, clearance light, ABS light, clearance light, reflector tape, clearance lights, brake lights, clearance light, brake light, clearance light, reflector tape, clearance light, reflector tape, clearance light, reflector tape, clearance light, brake light, clearance light, clearance light, clearance light, and back to the headlight, high beams, floodlights. Once you complete walking around your tractor and your trailer, the examiner will ask you about your 5x5. They will ask you, do you know your 5x5? And you're like, yes, I do. My 5x5 is my 5 functions and my 5 locations. So they're going to ask you, what are your 5 functions? My 5 functions is my left turn signal, right turn signal, 4-way flashers, high beams, and brake lights. Next, they're going to ask what your 5 locations are. My 5 locations is front of my tractor, both sides of my tractor, the rear of my tractor, both sides of my trailer, and the rear of my trailer. So what next the examiner is going to do is ask you to go inside the tractor and go ahead and do your 5 functions. They will check it from each part of your location. Front side of your tractor, both sides of your tractor, rear of your tractor, both sides of your trailer, and the rear of your trailer, okay? So on the front of the tractor, they're going to look for your right turn signal, left turn signal, high beams, 4-way flashers, okay? When they go to the rear of your tractor, what they're going to be looking for is the right turn signal, left turn signal, 4-way flashers, and brake light, okay? When they go on the side, both sides of your trailer, what they're going to be looking for is your right turn signal, left turn signal, okay? When they go to the rear of your trailer, what they're going to be looking for, right turn signal, left turn signal, 4-way flashers, and brake lights. Now, once they move to each part of the locations, they'll give you a thumbs up, so you can go ahead and move to the next part. And after you complete that, that's the end of the lights and lens check. Hopefully this information was helpful, and if it was, go ahead and drop a like on this video. If you have any more questions, hit me up in the comments below, and also hype the video up, because what it will do is share this video to more viewers like you. And until next time, be safe, I love y'all, and